Good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing about 2.4 pulley, and in that we already discussed about the poet Herbert Spencer, and we were talking about his one of the very famous poem, The Pulley. Okay, and today we are going to. And I hope yesterday we completed first stanza also, and today we are going to see the remaining stanzas. In short, I am going to repeat the first stanza, so try to focus on it. Okay, page number 71. When the God had first made man, having a glass of blessing standing by, let us, he said, he pour on him all we can. Let the world's riches which disperse lie contract into a span. Yesterday we were seeing God made man, and when God made man, at that time God wanted, at the time when the God was going to make the man alive, okay, at that time he wanted that, or he felt ki this is my the most wonderful creation, and that's why whatever I had, all the things or all the good things of the world, I must pour into the or give to the man. And that's why he had all the good things in one glass, and he were just going to pour the things on the man. Then what happened? See, समझ में आया क्या किया? जब भगवान ने इंसान को बनाया, तो भगवान ने सोचा कि मेरे पास जितनी भी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, वो सारी की सारी अच्छी चीज़ें मैंने क्या करनी चाहिए, इस इंसान में डाल देनी चाहिए. और जितनी भी अच्छी चीज़ें संसार में फैली हुई थी, सारी अच्छी चीज़ें कलेक्ट करके एक ग्लास में भर के उसने इंसान पे डाला. ओके, फिर क्या हुआ? सबसे पहले क्या आया? सो स्ट्रेंथ मेड फर्स्ट मेड अ वे, देन ब्यूटी फ्लोड, देन विजडम, ऑनर, प्लेजर. व्हेन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल वाज आउट, गॉड मेड अ स्टे. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? ही poured the things, and when the things, the valuable things of the most precious things of the world, which were, or the gifts of the God which were coming down, which first thing which the human being got, it was, so the strength first made a way. First God, in that blessing, the first was the strength, so the man got strength. Then beauty, then man means the human got beauty. Then wisdom, okay, wisdom also. Then it comes honor, and then pleasure, means all good things. The human got strength, beauty, wisdom, honor, and pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay. Now in this way, one by one, all the valuable gifts of the world was the man was getting, and almost all was over. At that time, all of a sudden, the God becomes alert. And what happened? God made a stay, and he felt something, and he stopped his glass. रुक गया, भगवान एग्जाम से रुक गए. Perceiving that alone of all his treasures rest in the bottom lay. And what happened? Perceiving, meaning is giving, becoming conscious of, while all the things he has almost he has given all the things to the man. At the bottom, one last thing was left. Before pouring that last thing on the human being, the God made a stay, and he become alert. That alone all his treasures rest in the bottom land. At the bottom rest was laid. आखिरी में रेस्ट बच गया था. सारी चीज़ें देने के बाद सिर्फ रेस्ट बच गया था, और वो डालने के समय भगवान एकदम से रुक गए. For if I should, said he, bestow this jewel also on my creatures, he would adore my gifts instead of me. See how intelligent God is. What God thought ki everything I given to the man, all good things, only rest is left now. And if I will give all the good things to the human being, then what will happen? All the use that word jewel, so he बोलता है सारे अच्छी चीज़ें मैंने दे दिया. Then what will happen? He would adore my gifts instead of me. Then what human being will do? Human being will adore, will love only the gifts of the God and not to the God. है ना? We human beings are very selfish. हम लोग भगवान को याद क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हमको भगवान से वी नीड समथिंग फ्रॉम द गॉड एंड दैट्स व्हाई we remember the god, otherwise we don't remember the god, right? And for the same thing God stopped. He thought I should not give all the things to the human being. Then what he did, and rest in nature and not the god in nature. And he thought, if I will give him rest also, then what will happen? He will rest in sorry if I will give him all the things, then what he will do is, instead of praying me, instead of remembering me, he will all the time he will take rest and he will not remember me. So both should be the losers, and in that way what will happen? Both God as well as human will lose the God and God will lose human being, and both should be the losers. And that is why what God did in the last stanza, see, yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with a ripening restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, that at last. Understood? So what God at the end did, so God thought what to do now? God thought yes, let him give the rest. तो भगवान ने सोचा ठीक है रेस्ट देते, लेकिन but keep them with the ripening restlessness. रेस्ट तो दिया, लेकिन कैसे दिया? रेस्टलेसनेस के साथ दिया. अंडरस्टूड? रेस्टलेसनेस मीन्स dissatisfaction, discontent. We never become satisfied. Understood? We never become satisfied because God did not give us rest. What God gave us? God gave us restlessness, and that is why all the time we are restless. Means a student who got 80%, he is also restless. A student who got 90%, he is also restless. Who got 99%, he is also restless. Even 100% if you will get, he also still we are restless. We need more and more and more. We never get satisfied. We never get contained, isn't it? And that is why God, and just imagine if we have a containedness in us, हमारे अंदर वो समाधान जिसको बोलते हैं satisfaction, वो अगर आ गया होता तो हमको इतना सा भी मिल जाएगा तो भी हम लोग वी विल गेट सेटिस्फाइड. एंड वी नेवर यूज टू ट्राई. हमने कभी भी किसी भी चीज़ के लिए ट्राई नहीं किया होता. और भगवान की तो छोड़ी दो, भगवान को तो कभी हम लोग भगवान को क्यों याद करते? क्योंकि हम कोई चीज़ मिलने के पीछे भागते और वो चीज़ मिलना चाहिए इसीलिए भगवान को याद करते. लेकिन वो चीज़ अगर हम वी विल बी कंटेंट सेटिस्फाइड होते तो ना हम लोग किसी चीज़ के पीछे भागते, नहीं भगवान को याद करते. The same thing Bhagwan thought. Let him keep the rest, but keep them with a ripening restlessness. Let him be rich and weary. And God thought कि let him be rich. पैसा बनाने दो. Let him be rich but weary. But means human being will earn all the things. Money, jewels, land, name, fame, everything the people or the human being will get, but all the time he will be weary. सब मिलने के बाद भी we will get dissatisfaction. We will not satisfied with the things. Yes or no? That at last, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness. And Bhagwan finally what God thought, if goodness of the human being will not bring human being to me, at least his weariness, his tiredness, his dissatisfaction will bring him to me. May toss him to my breast. May toss him to my breast means he will bring to me. And that is why while giving the precious gifts of the world, God did not give rest to the human being, did not give satisfaction to the human being. And what he did, he pulled the man, he kept the human being hanging. हमेशा क्या किया भगवान ने? हमको हैंगिंग करके रखा है कि सब कुछ तो है, फिर भी all the time we wander as we don't have anything. And why it happened, as George Herbert says, कि because God has hanged us in between. Neither we are satisfied nor we are dissatisfied, and all the time Because of this situation we need to remember God. Okay, again today, yesterday I told you that today we are going to see some of the figure of speeches, but now video is going big, so I'm going to stop here. Tomorrow we will discuss all the figure of speeches. Before that, tomorrow again in short I will explain the meaning, the summary, I would say. Just go through the 4 stanzas and read it, so that if you have any doubts tomorrow you can clear it. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.